When your Aura frame isn't showing all your pictures, it's usually because one part of a complex system isn't working properly. Your Aura frame relies on several components working together seamlessly. The system includes your home Wi Fi network, the Aura mobile app, your smartphone or device, cloud storage services, and Aura's own servers. Each component must function correctly for photos to appear on your frame. Photos don't appear instantly on your frame. They must first be uploaded to Aura's secure cloud servers before being sent to your device. This process takes time and depends on several factors. The upload time depends on your Wi-Fi connection strength, the size of your photo files, and how many photos you're uploading at once. Larger files and weaker connections mean longer wait times. Recent changes to Google Photos in early 2025 have impacted the auto-sync feature for digital frames, including Aura. These API changes have disrupted the automatic photo syncing that many users rely on. Keeping your Aura app updated is crucial. Version 4.10.56, released on July 1, 2025, includes important bug fixes and performance improvements. Both your app and frame firmware should be kept current. Your Aura frame supports multiple file formats, but using unsupported formats will prevent photos from appearing. The supported formats include JPEG, JP2, TIFF, GIF, PNG, BMP, and HEIC files. Sometimes photos go missing because another family member with access to your frame has removed them. Check with other users who have access to your frame if photos suddenly disappear, as they may need to be re-uploaded. When your Aura frame isn't showing all pictures, start by checking if Aura's cloud services are experiencing any outages. This is often the root cause of syncing issues. Next, force close and reopen the Aura app. Make sure the app has full access to your photos, especially on iOS devices where permission settings are crucial. Verify your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Move the frame closer to your router if needed, and restart both your router and the frame to refresh the connection. Power cycle your frame by unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. This simple step resolves many connectivity issues. Check your album settings to ensure new photos are being added to the linked album and that uploads haven't been paused. You can manually refresh albums by removing and re-adding them in the app. Check the upload status in your Aura app and re-upload any pictures that failed to transfer. Clear the app's cache if needed, and ensure your phone stays connected during uploads. If problems persist, try a factory reset using the pinhole button on the bottom or back of your frame. Insert a paperclip and hold for 10 to 15 seconds until you see the reset message. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the issue, contact Aura customer support for further assistance. They can provide specialized help for persistent problems.